This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating how you can trace and discover multiple online accounts linked to a single username using the powerful tool called CyberGhost Scanner. Let's get started. First, open your browser and visit my new channel. Next, go to the bio section and click on the Terrabox link to continue. Next, navigate to the Tool Market section and open Linux Tools. From there, locate the Cyber Username Scanner, select it, and click on Save to Terrabox. After choosing your desired path, proceed by clicking the View Now button. Next, select the desired path again and click on the Download button. After the download is completed, locate the file. Since the Linux OS is already running, simply drag and drop the file into your Linux environment. Now extract the file and open your root terminal. Then activate your Python virtual environment to install the pip packages. After that, open the root folder and move the folder there. Now, let's install the requirements. Just copy and paste the folder, then type ls and copy the command to install the packages. Now the pip installation is complete. Type Python followed by the main file name and press enter. The tool is now running successfully. You can enter the username in the input field and press enter to proceed. The processing has started, so I'll speed up the video and wait for the result. Okay, it's asking where you want to save the result. You can save it in the tool folder or choose another path. You can also go back and select a different location, but I'll save it in the same folder. You can click no if you didn't follow. Now let's go back to the root section. Open the tool folder and open the result file. You'll see a list of URLs with the entered username. Next, I'll copy and paste the URL to verify whether it is accurate or not. Simply paste it into any browser to check the result. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. As you can see, the result is correct. Now I'll go back. I hope you understood the video and the tool. Please support me. I lost my 2K subscriber channel because of some mistakes. Thank you for watching. Share your ideas, and I'll see you soon with a new interesting video and tool.